Yes.
Now I can.
Oh, yes, sorry. I'll go again. This is India's second consecutive bowling performance that has stood out, and it was just noticeable that all of you were like getting together. Like Ashwin was in your ear, you were in Siraj and Umesh Yadav's ear. It was almost like the bowlers were also captaining themselves, while of course you had Rahane leading the side. Just wanted to ask you about that.
So we had decided that everybody is going to help each other. So Siraj was making his debut, Umesh was there as well. So everybody was there. So everybody has got a lot of experience. They played a lot of cricket. So we just trying to help each other, do a bit of communication on the ground. So what is going on now? How the wicket is changing? What's the batsman looking to do? So all these things were there in our mind, and it's always good when you help each other. So you always feel that you've got your teammate backing you all the time. So yeah, that was the motive to all that, and we are trying to do that.
Yes, Sarkar.
Jasprit, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Jasprit, my question is like in the first hour what was the planning behind Ashwin coming in?
वीरेंद्र सहवाग ने कहा कि जसप्रीत बुमराह की तरह नटराजन भी भारत के लिए विश्व में कारगर साबित होंगे, क्योंकि नटराजन की जो यॉर्कर है वो लाजवाब है। हम तो यही चाहेंगे कि नटराजन भी बुमराह की तरह अपना नाम रोशन करें और वर्ल्ड के बेस्ट गेंदबाजों में अपना नाम दर्ज कराएं। अगर आप भी ऐसा ही चाहते हैं कि नटराजन ऐसा ही प्रदर्शन करें तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करना ना भूलें और कमेंट बॉक्स में बताएं कि वीरेंद्र सहवाग ने नटराजन के बारे में कहा है कि वो जसप्रीत बुमराह की तरह नाम रोशन कर सकते हैं, वो ठीक है या नहीं। क्या आपको लगता है कि नटराजन जसप्रीत बुमराह की बराबरी कर पाएंगे या नहीं? हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में बताना बिल्कुल ना भूलें।
Jasprit, can you discuss a little bit about the field placements? We were hearing the commentators praising the field placements of Ajinkya Rahane throughout the innings.
So there was a constant discussion going on between the bowlers and the other guys with the captain. So, the wicket changed after the first session as well. It got better to bat on, the moisture went away. So, adjusting according to that, adapting to the wicket and the lines that we wanted to bowl. So, we were just trying to communicate what kind of lines do we wanted to bowl so we could set the field accordingly. So, when there was less help, so we tried to change a little bit of the line and we kept the field accordingly. So that was the discussion that we had.
Venkat Krishna. Yes, Venkat Krishna. Okay, Anuj Mishra from ANI.
Jasprit, the bowlers have done it again for India. So how important will be the batsman roles from here, going here from here?
We're looking at, not looking too far ahead, looking one session at a time. So we're just looking at the things that we have to do. We don't want to be conservative in our mindset. We are trying to be positive. We are trying to, control the controllables. So we're just trying to be in that space, not being reckless, but being confident and, playing with a lot of confidence. That is our motive to go forward now.
Nitin Naik. Yes, Nitin bhai, are you there?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Justin, my question is this the best as a bowling group that you have bowled on day one of an overseas test since the time that you have been involved in the group?
We don't think about all of those things. Yes, we wanted to contribute. We knew that new guys are also coming into the squad. So we were just trying to help each other and try to create pressure from all ends. So Ash bowled brilliantly as well. Siraj bowled really well. So we were very happy with the effort that was put in. And yeah, that was our main goal today, that, help each other and try to create pressure from both ends so that we could create opportunities. And it was good. These opportunities came our way and we were able to head on to the opportunities.
Krishna, if you're back, you can ask now.
Yeah, Jasprit, can you hear me?
Yes.
Jasprit, just a word on the run-out appeal of Tim Paine. It went against you. It was a marginal call. Earlier, Jason Holder had said that if players can travel and be under quarantine, why not? Why can't the umpires and be under quarantine? Where do you guys stay in this?
Look, these are the things that we can't control. I understand the situations are difficult and all of these things are out of our hands. So I try not to focus on those things that we can't control. Yeah, it's unfortunate that the umpires are not able to travel, but it's something that I don't have any power of changing it. So we try to focus on the things that we can. That's the only thing our team is focusing on. That if a decision goes our way or it doesn't, we have to move forward and we focus on the next one. So that is the mindset our team is following.
Yes, 2 more questions before we move to Sunil. Bhaskar and Vastaparida.
Yes, Jasprit. So, Jasprit, I want to know from you, like Mohammad Siraj is making his debut. You spoke so highly about him, but the moment like he took that wicket, so he bowled 4 away-going deliveries, and then he bowled a sim-up delivery, and then took an in-swinger to get him out. So, do you think it was a ploy that was created by him, or as a senior bowler, you were actually helping him out? What was going in Siraj's head at that moment? Because you were standing close to him, you must know. So
he made his debut. He's very eager to bowl in the first session. He was waiting for his chance. So yeah, he's worked really hard. He's come up through the ranks. So yeah, he was bowling well. He was in amidst a good spell. So yeah, when he came after the lunch, after the first session, so there was not a lot happening. So he bowled with a lot of control, and then suddenly he started getting a little bit of movement. So he tried to use the best of it, and playing his first test match, he bowled really well, and he showed confidence of using all his skills. So that's a very heartening sign for us, and hopefully he continues like that.
Thank you.
Yes, Vastav, are you there? And followed by Deepak Raghav. Okay, Deepak Raghav now, please.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, go ahead.
Hello, can you hear me? Yeah.
Yes, go ahead.
Hi, Jasprit. The team batting second has not won a lot of test matches at MCG. So what will be the ideal first innings total you were looking at? How do you think the wicket will evolve over the 4 days? This morning we saw a lot of turn for Ashwin.
Yeah, but that was because of the moisture. So what we as a team don't look at what's happened behind or what will happen in the future. We are trying to control the controllable. So whatever has the result been in the previous games, that who has batted first or who has batted second have won the game. We are trying to focus on the things that we have at hand, trying to do the things that we can control. So our team's focus is on the first session tomorrow and what we can do to bat well and try to score runs. So all of these things we are focusing on. We're not looking too far ahead. We're not looking in what has happened before. We're just trying to be in the present and trying to focus on the things that we can have an influence on. So that is our team's goal now.
Yes, final one now, Sunandan sir.
जसप्रीत, एक क्रिकेटर सपना देखता है कि मैं टेस्ट क्रिकेट खेलूंगा, मैं बॉक्सिंग डे टेस्ट क्रिकेट खेलूंगा। ये माहौल के बारे में बोलो और ये टेस्ट क्रिकेट के मजे के बारे में बोलो, क्योंकि इतना मजा आ रहा है ये टेस्ट क्रिकेट देखने के लिए कि क्या कहूँ आपको।
मेरा तो सबसे फेवरेट फॉर्मेट है टेस्ट क्रिकेट। मैं जब से इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट में आया तभी से मुझे टेस्ट क्रिकेट खेलना था। यहाँ पे परफॉर्मेंस करने के लिए आपको बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, पूरे दिन आपको पेशेंस चेक होता है, आपकी फिटनेस चेक होती है। तो इसका जो परफॉर्मेंस होता है इसका अलग रिवॉर्ड होता है, उसकी अलग खुशी होती है, बहुत सेटिस्फाइंग होती है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है। एंड जब भी आप फॉरेन में भी आते हो, आप अच्छा करते हो तो बहुत अच्छा फीलिंग होता है। तो टेस्ट क्रिकेट में जब अच्छा होता है या रिवॉर्ड मिलते हैं तो आपके सारे हार्डवर्क आपको अच्छा लगता है कि आप इस प्रोसेस से जा रहे हो तो आपको हार्डवर्क के रिजल्ट्स मिल रहे हैं। तो मेरा तो सबसे फेवरेट फॉर्मेट है एंड मैं बहुत ग्रेटफुल हूँ कि मुझे ये फॉर्मेट खेलने मिलता है इंडिया के लिए।